So next week, man, I'm doing 2 free pressure washing jobs and I'm cherry picking houses.
I have my pressure washer right there. I do it every month.
All right. Well,
Thank you.
I'd love this.
Check around because
I have.
Especially her to check with her.
Which one?
Next door.
I have not.
I usually have someone do it.
Okay.
And, but I just did it, and I tend to, try to do sections, little things at a time.
Man, I would love to show you how clean I could get it. It's absolutely free.
What are you talking about, though?
The driveway and your sidewalks and your. Well, I can hit this.
This I did. This you have to be careful of because it depends on the pressure.
Okay.
Because it breaks pieces of brick to brick up.
We don't need to touch it then.
I
could hit that over there though.
Yeah. So what do you? Okay, what's the deal?
I'm making YouTube content, man.
And what is?
YouTube. Yeah.
For your YouTube.
Yeah, it's part of my business model. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, you're in.
Well, I mean, I would.
That's awesome.
Tell me if I'm crazy or not.
No, you're not crazy. I don't think. I think people that say no are crazy.
He's gonna power wash all of this, the sides and the sidewalk.
Yeah, it's absolutely free.
It's his own advertising.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Well, that's exciting.
Okay.
Awesome. Sweet.
And then you'll call me or what?
How many people do you have that say no?
Tons. About 10 people in your neighborhood have said no already.
Why?
I don't know. People are skeptics.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. And I'm not like a, weird looking dude, I don't think. I got a nice truck, so I mean it's.
We'll talk to him too.
Yeah, I could.
If you want.
Yeah. So
I told him I do mine. My pressure washer's right there, but I haven't done this.
I'm gonna show you how clean I can get it. You're gonna be super stoked. This is a good one.
Wait to be on YouTube.
Yeah, cool.
Watch, I got dirty hands.
Man, I'm always dirty.
Okay.
All right. Take care. Have a good night, man.
You too.
Cool. Hey everyone, Baron here with Jungle Nation Pressure Washing and Roof Cleaning. Got a really exciting one here for you guys. The short form video of the intro between me and the homeowner on this one went viral, so I'm really excited for you to see the long version of that video. Plus you'll get to see the actual pressure washing that I did and the reaction of the homeowner, plus some before and afters. The homeowner and I had a great interaction. I randomly knocked on his door. I knocked on a lot of his neighbor's doors, but I knocked on his and he's the only one that said yes. 9 out of 10 of his other neighbors said no, so it was super exciting for me, super exciting for the homeowner. He was very surprised at the offer of free pressure washing. And then after the fact, he was super grateful and said I was a phenomenal guy for the cleaning that I did for free. He loved it. So when I got into this job, I started out with using my sodium hydrochloride and a surfactant to go ahead and pre-treat all the organics on the surface of the concrete and his back sidewalk. Once I finished with that, I came back around with the turbo nozzle edger and I edged the back sidewalk, the driveway, and the 2 sidewalks, which is always super satisfying. I love doing that. I even used the turbo nozzle to hit the sidewalks, the full length of the sidewalks as well. Then I came back around with the surface cleaner to knock off any additional organics on the major parts of the surface of the driveway and the back sidewalk. After that, I did a nice good rinse and came back with the post treat, again with the surfactant and the sodium hydrochloride, and it just killed all the extra organics, plus it's gonna keep this concrete surface very bright, and there's not gonna be any buildup for a very long time on this surface. The homeowner absolutely loved it, had a great time filming this one. I hope you guys enjoy it. Jungle Nation's out. I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. My man. You excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah?
Wow.
Tell me you love it.
It's fantastic.
Yeah? Yeah?
Wow, it really does look fantastic.
Yeah. This is before the post treat. I had not added the last layer to it.
Which is what?
It's just SH and soap, so sodium hydrochloride. There's some spots over there. We'll see. I'll show you that'll go away with the post treat. But man, how clean does this look? This came out beautiful.
I couldn't have done it with my own pressure cleaner. I couldn't have done this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love hearing that.
Yeah.
That's good news. That's why.
No,
That's why
seriously.
they got me.
I mean, I do it all the time. Like
Yeah.
I told you initially.
Yeah.
This is far better than I can do with what I consider a good pressure cleaner. So.
Yeah. Thank you,
great
brother.
job.
Yeah, I appreciate you,
You the
Tony.
man.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Cool. You want
Wow.
to tell my fans anything?
It's just phenomenal. I mean, you'd be crazy not to use him for his services.
I love you, Tony. Golly, let's take a look around, man. So we'll go down the sidewalks first, and I'll show you. You got some rust stains. So I didn't treat that, but these are light rust stains. Post-treat might take care of this, but really I would use oxalic acid here. You know, just that's light though.
Right.
You know, that wouldn't bother me. I don't know if it bothers you. If it does, we'll hit it with the acid.
It is what it
But this
is.
came out beautiful, man. I'm gonna send you.
It looks wonderful. Wow.
Yeah, I went all the way to your neighbor's driveway just to tease them to make sure that they're like, oh man, now I got to get my driveway done. No, they didn't. So this is the area right here. Once I post treat this, this will come out.
Okay.
It'll just melt away overnight probably. So
How'd
you know,
the side do?
yeah. Let's look
Was
at the
that-
side.
Was that disappointing to you?
You know, it's got sprinkler rust.
Yeah, because I've always wondered what the heck
Yeah.
is going on with this.
So this is sprinkler rust. It came out a lot better than it
Yeah.
was. There's one area by the pump that I got a post treat, but it's very clean.
Oh yeah.
You know, if I came back over it with the oxalic acid, it would come cleaner. You know, you see this? That's the sprinkler rust. You know, and then I'll hit this with the post treat.
I just recently painted that. I'll have to touch that.
Yeah, that one spot right there. Didn't touch it. I rinsed it and it just melted away right there.
That's okay.
Okay.
I'll fix that.
Cool.
I gotta put another coat on. This is new.
This
So
is
I gotta put
yeah.
another coat on.
Oh,
it,
sorry.
So it's all. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Yeah, but that rust would come out too with the acid, just so you know. But again,
Geez, how many colors was this thing before? I mean, now it looks light blue. Where it was,
Yeah.
You know.
yeah,
Weird.
yeah. I think over time it just
Yeah.
faded, you know.
Cool.
Yeah, man. Cool. Well, I'm glad you're happy, bro.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I loved it. I love doing it. This is a great one.